This is Prizm Hobby, 2-box, pick your color, number 53. Good luck. All right, guess the first auto for 18. WWE Prizm, pick your color. I added the next one. Here's 2022. Eventually, we might do pick your wrestler with full case of this when we're low on other things. When we're low on other things, maybe we can do, if people want to pick your wrestler of this. We have some more of this. Yeah, once we're like kind of caught up on sorting for all the channels and we're low on other WWE products, then maybe we'll do a pick your wrestler. It's just the wrestlers, the long break ones, they start they're long sorts. Eventually. You can take your 54s. 54 gets close. You can go into it. Hyper of Mick Foley. Red Wave of Brock Lesnar. Or Ruby Wave they call it in here. Depends on what sport it is. They call it red or ruby. Silver of Indy Hartwell. Blue. Trent 7 on the blue. Ruby Wave of Stone. Red of Seth Rollins. Ice of Roderick Strong. Red Wave, Mandy Rose. Guys, the duel's on the move. It's in the 60s. Bailey Silver. The first auto is a base auto of JC Jane. Take a leap. JC Jane is the guess. Let's see some colors I want to see. Red Wave, Braun Breaker. Blue, Lash Legend, blue. Red Wave of Primate. Orange is coming. Orange of Nash Carter. All right, guess the last auto of the break for 18. The last. There's still another auto in this box. The last. There's a nice one. Sheamus red auto. Nice hit for Take a Leap. Superstar red auto. It's box 1. Shadows don't like this Prizm. Red Wave of Booker T. Purple. Ginny. Rookie purple. Silver. Dana Brooks. Orange. Kofi Kingston. Ice. Mandy Rose. Cora Jade. Nice. Ruby Wave. Here's an auto. An auto. It is nice. Seth Rollins. Base auto. It's see him live. I feel like he's redemption a lot of things. Hyper of Edge. Red of Eric. Ruby Wave. Veer. Nothing crazy. Where's the premium color? Hogan's silver. Candice LeRae. Purple. This is the start of a new case, guys. Take it. Ice. Ash. Mojos, gold, blacks, color blast. The guess is the Road Dogg. Base auto. It's the break. There's the Road Dogg. Jesse James. Yeah, Henderson, you want the base, right? Like the non-numbered base, the veterans. Henderson. Yes, everything's just